White lesions appear on her skin as her healing capacity has ceased to function. It's a race against time now. Will she survive long enough to see her eggs hatch? Forcing water over them with her siphon, she provides the eggs with oxygen and keeps them free of harmful bacteria and algae. Now, it's her only purpose in life. Inside the strings of eggs, her young enter the final stages of development. Her long ordeal is finally over. The baby octopuses begin to free themselves from their egg casings.